Hello and welcome. This video will be very useful for you. If you don't know, you are gonna learn now. How can we change the icon on this folder, on any file that you want to change? This is the process. Let's go right click, let's go properties, let's go customize, and now we need to go change icon. And now we can choose any icon that we want. Let's say that we want this one to be our icon. Let's refresh the screen, and as you can see, we changed the icon. But now is the question how we can change that icon to be, let's say, this picture, this image. Easy. Let's go again, properties. The process is same. Let's go up. I said the process is same. Yes, the process is same when we go right click and properties and go customize. But now we need to go to choose files, and let's go desktop, and let's say that we want this picture to be, and let's go apply. Okay, and what is happening? Nothing, because we need to change something. Let's go again, properties, let's go customize, change icon and restore defaults, apply. Okay, and this is the magic. Those are the basic things that you need to know in order to learn more, to improve, to move through Windows very easy and very quickly. It is actually funny, but it is the truth. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.